Today's video is another deep pull from the archives. The company I'm building is called July. And ironically, we started it in July of 2021. And just 2 months later, we raised a very small round of angel funding, and our new investors asked us to send in a video update of what we were actually working on. And so I created the first ever video demo of our product. And it's pretty nostalgic to look back on these videos and think about how far we've come from a team perspective, from a product perspective, and overall just the countless hours of memories and hard work that have been spent on bringing our vision to where it is today. So if you don't care about early stage startup videos, feel free to click away. But if you do, please enjoy the raw and uncut throwback of a nervous 22-year-old just trying to bring his dream to life.
Hey guys, so this is our first product walkthrough. Everything that you're about to see is obviously still in progress. There are a lot of things that don't work. The data that we're using for this example is made up, so it's not actually scraping for our database. But essentially what you're seeing in front of you is the dashboard for the first MVP for July. And the service that we're providing is we are pairing content creators with brands that are working with similar creators to them. So you see a matching score here. And the brand name up here. What we've been doing is compiling a very large list of active campaigns that are running with brands and content creators. And when you log on and create an account, based on the metrics that you have as yourself as a creator, we show you brands that are working with creators that are very similar to you and give you our matching algorithm gives you a score out of 100 as to how similar the creators that these brands are working with are to you. And so when you're looking at the platform and you come onto the dashboard, you'll see the campaigns that you match up with, which is anything just a threshold above a 50% for our algorithm, and then top matches, which are above a 90%. When you can see at a glance from the brand, the match percentage, when the campaign was last active, the category that it's promoting in, the name of the campaign, or the name of the company, and then the name of the campaign. And then with each of these cards, you can click into them. You can read a short description of the company. You can click on their website, see the platform that they're performing on, when they were added, the campaigns. This was added last 19 minutes ago for this demonstration. And then it will populate with their Instagram feed. So you can get a better understanding of what the company is about. Down here, once we have it implemented, you'll be able to see the exact content creators that they are working with. So what friends of yours they're working with, what creators that are similar to you that they're working with. If you are interested in working with any of these brands with just one click, if I wanted to work with Adidas and send them an outreach from my Gmail to their Gmail, to their email that we have in our database, you click the send button, it auto-populates with the templates that you've created. So you have an initial outreach template, a template for large brands, and then you can just send them an email. When you send them that email, it removes the card from the all matches category and puts it into the deal flow section, which is where you'll be able to manage those conversations. So it's a Kanban board, which will have a couple more steps or processes that will help you map out that workflow, but it'll toss it into, so we just reached out to Adidas, it'll be in the sent category. As soon as they reply, it'll be in the reply category, and this will be a better way for creators to manage all of their outbounds, essentially a CRM. Down here, we have the templates feature where you can create a new template with whatever it is that you want so that you can reference that later when you want to, with one-click outreach to the campaigns, to the brands. If you hop out of here, you can see that I've connected both Kyle's account and Kyle's YouTube, which are what we have linked up right now. If you look into the settings, we have general, which is just the name and information, the handles that you've been able to sync up, and the information behind them. So your engagement rate, your subscriber count, these are all made up again for this demonstration. And then within outreach, you can see all of the different apps that we have available to link up, which right now are Google, your Gmail, Instagram, and YouTube. So yeah, obviously there are a lot of features that are missing that we will be building out, that we will be completing for the rest of the MVP. We're at a functional state right now, but there are a lot of different bugs that need to be worked out that we will be kind of jumping into over the next couple of weeks, and then onboarding our initial cohort of users to start testing it out. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know and we'll get those answered, but that's what we're working with right now. Super excited to hear you guys' feedback, and yeah, talk soon. Thanks guys.